Hello you guys, it's Deenah Dian and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. I'm loving this mirror anyway. How are you? As you can probably tell, I'm not in my everyday location. I'm actually in a really nice Airbnb. Yes, honey. We have a jacuzzi, we have everything. I am vlogging. I just don't know yet which one is gonna go up first. This video or that video. I'm pretty sure I will be posting this video first. So yeah, the next video that you'll be watching will be the vlog of like my little holiday. So this is gonna be like my everyday thing. I'm gonna be trying a BB cream for the first time. I love how I say my everyday and I haven't even tried the product, but you know what I mean. I've never tried a BB cream before, ever. And I got this gifted to me by my lovely stepmom in Christmas, and I still haven't tried it. Sorry, Hans. Just couldn't be arsed because I am a foundation type of girl. I'm either an all or nothing, but I feel like for this holiday it's really, really sunny. I don't know if you can tell I'm sweating. I'm indoors. My sister's outside just chilling. We have a jacuzzi. We're living the best life. My parents went for like a little hike and I said, no ma'am, not today. I'm boiling. I need to live my, you know, hot girl summer. Hot girl summer is here. Can you tell I'm wearing my nice, cute little Shein bikini? Yes, honey. Anyway, let's start. I'm gonna start with the eyes first. The plan for tonight, actually, let's just roll in the intro first, shall we? Okay, now that we have the intro out of the way, I feel like I cannot do a video without my intro now. Like, I have to put it in. Anyway, the plan for tonight, it's currently like 1 p.m. or something. I was meant to be filming this a lot earlier. My parents left really early in the morning and they were like, yeah, you have the house for yourself, you know, for you and your sister to do whatever you want for a few hours. Because, you know, my parents don't like me filming around them and they don't like being on camera. They don't get the lifestyle, you know. So they were actually really kind and they were like, yeah, you know, we're gonna go for a few hours. If you guys are not gonna join, do your thing. Because they know that I wanted to film a couple of videos. But I've been feeling like shit. Not gonna lie, this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, by the way, in the shade C6. I've been feeling like absolute shit. I am thinking it's the lactose. As you guys know, I'm lactose intolerant. And I have been eating all lactose and drinking lactose in the last 2 days that we've been here. Like all coffees with regular milk. I've been having milkshakes, I've been having pizzas, lasagna, the whole thing. You know, it's either go in or go home, you know? So yeah, I've been feeling really bad and I have a huge headache. I actually just took a tablet now because I refuse. I know, I'm being so annoying and we're only like 1 minute in the video. But I get really annoyed at the fact that I have to take tablets. Like, life is so hard that I have to take tablets. I'm gonna put my hair back because I'm getting distracted. My sister's gonna be my assistant for a few minutes. Tráeme la paleta de sombras que está en el bolso rojo, porfa. Está justamente en el fondo. I'm so messy, I'm not even prepared for this video. But yeah, basically, what I was trying to say there, la de Murphy, yeah, con Jacqueline Hill. Gracias, cielo. Tonight, we have plans with my uncle and my auntie that they live here in Tenerife. I'm in Tenerife, by the way. Even though it's only like nearly 2 p.m., actually 2 p.m., I want to be glammed already because, like, my parents don't get ready. At least not as much as I do. Like, my mom wears no makeup or anything like that. So if I'm ready now, and it's gonna be like a really casual glam, and I can be ready for the day, and then I can jump in the jacuzzi and do my thing, then, you know, that's how I'm gonna try and make it work. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows last today because I'm really sweating. Anyway, I'm gonna be using the Jacqueline Hill X Morphe palette. As you can tell, I've used it and abused it. And I'm gonna jump in, I'm thinking, this color first. I can't remember the name of it. The only shade name I remember in the whole palette is this one here called Pukey. Because she said that it looks like puke. So she called it Pukey, very smart. Miss Jacqueline. I've actually already met a couple of fellas here in Tenerife, which has been great. Do you know what I found out? Maybe this is just me being super lucky or something, but all the guys that am I in focus? All the guys that I've met in Tenerife are circumcised. Yeah, I said it. And I'm like, okay, so I've spent nearly 25 years of my life searching for circumcised men in Gran Canaria. And I think I have every single one in my list. And there's like maybe 20, maybe 30. And then you come to Tenerife and you're here for 2 nights and you already meet like 5 fellas and they're all circumcised, and I'm like, am I really lucky? Is this like a new trend? Or is this just a culture in this island? Because if it is, I have to move here. Like, this is where I belong. These two. Yeah, so like, there's still curfew. There's no curfew in my island. There's no curfew in Gran Canaria right now. Did I say curfew? Like, there's no time that you have to be home. Bars shut really early here. I think at 11 everything's shut. In Gran Canaria, everything shuts at 2 now. So, you know, like, I think my island is doing so much better. Like, in the last entire week in Gran Canaria, there was just 2 cases. 2 active cases of COVID in the last week. In here, there's 100. And I'm like, what are they doing wrong? And you're probably thinking, Deenah, there's COVID, and you've just explained to us that you found out that there's guys that are circumcised in that island. And I'm like, yeah, I shouldn't have said that, because now you guys are gonna judge me. But my family's vaccinated. That's my excuse to everything now. And I'm getting my own vaccine. I'm getting vaccinated the 18th of July. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna be saying it a million times. I'm actually taking a little bit of pukey now as well, that shade, just to balance out the amount of yellowness. I want it a little bit more brown, a little bit more, you know, orangey like a little bit more bronzy. I think that's the look. Hello, lighting. See, I'm dealing with natural lighting right now, so I'm sorry if it like fluctuates and stuff. It's not my fault. There's nothing I can do. I didn't actually bring a liner brush, but like in my head, it's all I fancy right now. I want to have like a wing, but I don't want a black wing. This is the thing. This is what happens in my head. I actually have a perfectly fine black liner here sitting next to me, and I don't want to use it because I want to do a brown liner, because everyone on Instagram is doing brown liners, but I don't have a liner brush. Welcome to my life. So I'm gonna do this thing that I do where it's just like, fuck it, and I am just gonna go with it, and I'm gonna use this brown shade right here, this darky brownie. I'm gonna try to create like a line with it, and then don't worry, I'm gonna clean it up with some wipes, and that should do the trick. Let's try. God, that's fucking pretty already. This is honestly gonna be my new go-to. I might have not even lied with the title of this video. Well, I kind of did just finesse my way into that one. Right, I'm gonna curl my lashes and add some lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on now. Yeah, honestly, I'm so tempted to leave it just like this, just because I know I'm gonna go in the pool, but I'm not. So, I'm gonna prime my skin quickly with some, I would actually put some moisturizer on, but because the foundation that I'm gonna be using, the BB cream, has already like moisturizer in it, I'm just gonna prime a little bit with the Professional by Benefit, just to hide some of the pores. You know, trying to have a flawless skin that we all freaking want. My skin is so soft, you guys. I'm loving this thing. Like, hormonal wise, sucks because I'm upset a lot. And my sex drive has gone down like crazy. I think everything is gonna seem like a contradiction now because I've said that all about the circumcised man and whatever. But like, I'm being serious, and it does suck a little bit. But you know, that's the life that I've been given. Yeah, so thanks to hormones, my skin is kind of like working now, and I'm not getting as much facial hair. This is the BB cream that I'm gonna be using. It's the Garnier Skincare BB Cream Classique in the shade medium. Oh my god, I think that's my family just arriving. How much? Is that a lot? I think this is a lot, isn't it? Fuck. I should use a brush for it. Actually, I might. Actually, I won't. Let's see, because I feel like with a beauty blender, it's just gonna go to waste. Right? Let me see. What am I freaking doing? I think with a beauty blender, it's kind of just gonna go away. Oh, actually, no. Actually, it works fine. I love it. It's really like subtle, like barely any coverage, but it kind of like correct. And it smells amazing. And it has SPF also. So it's perfect now for like summer. If you don't want to wear like tons of foundation during summer, which I know I don't. So you're probably gonna see me wearing this a lot actually. I actually really like it. It's like my skin but better, do you know? And it's super lightweight. Like I feel like I'm sorry, I shouldn't be rubbing it against like this. I should be dabbing, but I feel like it's not me too. Yeah. It literally feels like you're just putting moisturizer on, which is essentially what it is, I suppose. Just moisturizer with a little bit of color. Is BB cream and tinted moisturizer the same thing? I feel like it is. It color corrects, but it doesn't hide away my freckles, which I really like. I am just curious to see now. Oh, sorry. I'm just curious to see now how it's gonna look when I apply concealer. Because my concealer can go a little bit full coverage, which I need because hello under eye bags. So I'm gonna try and put a little bit of BB cream on my under eye. So maybe I can add just a little bit of concealer, if you know what I mean. How are we feeling about the Kardashians ending? I am a little bit, you know, heartbroken. But I feel like something else is gonna happen. Like they're not just gonna end. I feel like they're gonna do another show. So that makes me, you know, less sad. I still haven't watched the interview. I actually had to mute the profile on Instagram, the Kardashian clips, because they're doing all the spoilers of the last interview that they did. Oh my god, I'm sorry, this lighting. And my best friend Karina watched it already and I was like, please do not say anything because I don't want to know. My friend Gabby is the same. She was like, oh my god, did you see what she... And I was, no, sorry, but I don't want to know anything. I need to watch it with my cat. Deenah and I are going to sit down and have a full-on meltdown while watching. Because obviously I did see the trailer. The guy that interviews them, which apparently he's really famous, I've never seen him, he was going in on Khloe. Like, what do you think? Like, how did you know Tristan's not going to cheat again? Blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, fuck. He went in. Anyway, adding some to my under eye. Okay, so I am going to do concealer now. Freaking pray for me, bitch, because I feel like this could either make or break the look. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my cubicle, and a little bit on the bottom of my chin to give the illusion that my chin is pointy on Instagram. Yes, honey. I know we all use Facetune, but there's some tips and tricks that you can do so you don't have to use Facetune as much. Yeah, well, that's blended nice. I wonder if the coverage of the BB cream is different if I use it like with a brush or even with my hands. I'll have to try that next. Okay, so now to set my face, I'm gonna be using the No Color Powder by RCMA. I do wonder if you can set your face. I'm assuming that you have to, right? Like, hello, it's freaking COVID season. Like, I have to set my face. I'm gonna go in with a dry sponge. It was shit weather the first night, and actually yesterday was really bad weather too. Like, it was raining all over the place, and then out of nowhere, because we were celebrating my mom's birthday, that's the main reason why we're here. And then out of nowhere, it just got really sunny, and it hasn't stopped being sunny since. Like, everyone's pretty tan, in literally from 2 days of being by the jacuzzi. And it's absolutely amazing. It's doing something weird in the top of my lip. Don't know if you can see. Like I have like lines there, but I do have like weird skin texture right there. Hence the mustache. So I'm gonna try with my foundation brush and just lightly add some of the RCMA powder like everywhere and just kind of like diffuse it around, you know? I'm getting like the weirdest patch. Look at this, a dry patch right there. But it's, I don't know if it's from the BB cream because I had this last week, kind of similar. And I do want to see a dermatologist because it's just a super dry patch that clings to my powders right there. Scared. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using, actually I might just use some Hoola. No, I'm gonna use a little bit of Hoola, like a tiny little bit of Hoola with the brush that it comes with. Actually, no, that's a lie. I'm gonna be using this brush here. Just a little bit of Hoola. I might actually just use Hoola depending on how it turns out. But I really want like a new shimmery bronzer. Like now when it's summertime, shimmery bronzers are everything. And I don't really have any because the butter bronzer by Physicians Formula isn't really like, you know, given me what it needs to give me yet. For blush, I'm obviously gonna be using Orgasm by NARS, my fave. God, this is honestly the perfect shade. It just looks amazing every fucking time. And then a little bit on the tip of my nose. And then for highlighter, I'm debating whether to use Dior Skin Nude Air highlighter or Becca Champagne Pop with Jaclyn Hill, which is a little bit broken. I think I'm gonna go with Dior. Actually, no. Jaclyn Hill, because I used her palette on my eyes, so I might as well, you know? We support Jaclyn over here, even though a lot of people hate her. I've always loved Jaclyn. She's an absolute boss babe. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and charge a little bit of the battery, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I am seeing texture in like my nose and also right here. Can you see what I mean? Like it's giving me weird texture here, here, and there. So I don't know, maybe I'm just having a bad skin day, who knows? But anyway, so far, only thing I'm not liking is that I'm starting to look really pale. So I don't know if putting the powder on top of the BB cream was a bad idea, but out of nowhere, I feel like I'm getting like a weird white cast, which I don't think it's the BB cream. Not a cast necessarily, I'm being a bit dramatic, as I usually am. But you know, I'm getting some color that wasn't there. I want to be more bronzed, but I feel like adding bronzer all over my skin is just gonna make it worse. But hey, it's me. It's me. Making things worse is what I'm here for. I am thinking I'm gonna be doing brown lips. I really like this color. Should I? This is so weird, right? I've only used this like once or twice and I remember I loved it, so maybe I'm wrong. This is the Line and Load by NYX and it's the shade Never Listen. This was actually inside of like a Christmas advent calendar, and I went to get it at the store and they didn't have it. They said it was just for the advent calendar, and I'm like, well, that's fucking rude. But you line your lips and you fill them in with the same product, which I found really strange but also like really cool. I'm gonna use a liner. Even though it's meant to act as a liner as well, I can feel my hand being really shaky. So I'm not really trusting it. What liner should I use? Should I go dark and use Cork and just give it like a dark V vibe, or no? NYX Sandstorm, will it look good next to it? From the 26th, you won't have to wear masks. Like, because obviously you're obligated to wear them, and you won't have to be obligated no more. And in a way, I'm like, oh my god, that's so fun, because like I can finally like enjoy doing my makeup and not letting it all melt off with the mask. But at the same time, I'm like, bitch, I'm not ready. I haven't had my nose job yet. People are not ready to see me. And I don't know, everything just seems so like coincidental. I'm not saying COVID is a lie, but I'm saying that there's a lot of business going on behind it for sure. Like, I think politicians are making so much money out of this. And then I'm gonna use the matte finish long lasting setting spray by NYX. Bro! I scared her. The lighting sucks. Is this pretty at all? I don't know. Anyway, babes, there you go. This is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed. I really like it. Again, check out the vlog so you know what ended up happening. As you can see, obviously there's SPF, so there will be like a wider cast. But I think this is perfect for summer, you know, like pool parties and all of that. Yeah, I'm using my ring light to show you. Without the ring light, it looks more normal. Like, it doesn't look like I'm wearing that much. Oh, hey! 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 So, yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go now into the jacuzzi and just enjoy my day. I hope you enjoyed this look, and I will see you on the next one. Remember, the next video will be the vlog. Bye guys, love you.